Welcome to my channel about robotics, videotechniek and embedded systems. This video is focused on my ESP32, and last time I focused on getting two sensor command displays to work to display the number of steps or degrees for this servo motor SG90. And then I met with the problem that it seemingly doesn't work, and I do want to solve that. So while everything is in working order, it should be functioning. At least this one is functioning. So let's get started to test and get it to work. So screencast with obviously the camera, then the compilation terminal with the code to let this sensor segment displays blink. And this is the code where the servo motor is going to run. So let's first get things running. And if you watch my videos, then you know what's coming. And it may be boring to some, but let's just see whatever happens. I've had this before, and it may be that I'm in the wrong directory again, but it should have been running anyway, because it's embedded software. So that's a little bit info. Let's just say we're going to do flash, which ends up in the wrong way again. So I'll once again have to figure out something which I thought I had. And indeed I was in the wrong directory, the wrong subdirectory that is. So by now it has flashed. And then I have to monitor to make things run. But for some reason things don't go the way I expect them to go once again. Not at all, because alright, this is really not going the way I expect it to be. Anyway, I have to go to another directory to make the motor run, and I have to yet to integrate, but this is not going the way it should go. The LED, or more probably the sensor command display, is doing nothing, which is quite unexpected. Let me go to another one while keeping this open. And that means that I'm going to peripherals. And now I'm going to do the same thing here. At least, oh, I can't do that because it is being done here in this terminal. And then I have to start and configure everything all over again, which I don't want to. So and here I'm getting the same thing again, without any further information. So that gives me to think that I'm doing something wrong in this window anyway, which is really annoying. And this is for now the end result. The display is the displays are both working. I had to do quite a lot of rewiring, no recoding yet, but that obviously has to change. because right now the displays are working after one another and not at the same time. But it's quite some progress with the addition of a board, as you can see, for space sake. Anyway, if you like the video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up and click the bell for notification. Leave a comment or suggestion under the video, very much appreciated. You can support the channel by making a donation via PayPal or Ko-fi, and you can subscribe. Being a paying member, you can watch the whole video and all my complete full-length videos via Patreon and via Ko-fi. If you're a member, thank you for support. This is obviously going to be continued. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.